Compact and manoeuvrable, our trucks are strong enough for regular retail use or equally suited for warehouses. The base is made from tongue-and-grooved timber deck with end panels, and the welded steel frame makes them not only strong but very durable. Balanced on a central axis, they can be turned on their own strength and are steerable from both ends. With a 150 kg capacity, this flatbed design is perfect in a large range of situations. The trucks glide on 4-ply pneumatic tired wheels on roller bearing casters.